In this video, you'll learn how to resubscribe to your Mailchimp account. By following these steps, you will successfully reinstate your subscription and regain access to your emails and campaigns. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Mailchimp, then press Enter. Once the page loads, ensure that you see the Mailchimp logo at the top left corner. This indicates that you are on the correct site. Next, locate and click on the Audience option in the navigation menu. This is typically found on the left side of the screen. After clicking on Audience, you should see a list of your contacts. If you do not see this list, verify that you are logged into the correct account. Now, select a contact from your audience list. Click on the name of the contact you wish to resubscribe. This action will take you to that contact's profile page where you can manage their subscription status. Confirm that you're on the contact profile by checking for their details displayed on the screen. After this, look for the Actions button near the top of the contact profile. Click on this button to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu contains several options related to the selected contact. Make sure that the options appear as expected before moving to the next step. Then click on Subscribe Email from the drop-down menu. This option is essential for changing the contact subscription status. Once selected, a confirmation box may appear, prompting you to confirm this action. Ensure you review any information provided in this box before proceeding. Following this, click on the Subscribe button to finalize the resubscription process. This will officially change the contact status back to subscribed. Wait a moment for the system to process your request and confirm the change. You should see a notification indicating that the subscription has been updated successfully. Finally, click on Confirm Subscribe to complete the process. This action may lead to a confirmation screen which verifies that the contact has been resubscribed. Take a moment to review this screen and ensure that everything has been processed correctly. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.